Hello everyone, Nick here. Welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on today's video. So today we have Vikings Blade, the Chieftains. Well, these two here are the Chieftains. This guy here is the Emperor. So the Vikings Blade Safety Razor is a brand that sells directly to the public online. I'll grab these guys so you can take a good look at them. Beautiful, beautiful razors. It was founded in 2015 by the Vulcan Group. It's a consulting firm in Australia. After they acquired a family-owned business that designed and manufactured high-end grooming products, the company's partnered with Asian factories to produce products based on their exclusive designs, employing Australian supervisors and quality control staff to ensure quality. So yeah, people actually have a problem with them teaming with China to produce some of their products. The company started as a small workshop that designed and outsourced the manufacturing of high-end grooming products for other well-known brands under NDAs, which are non-disclosure acts. The Vulcan Group, they approached the family business with an idea of establishing an online presence, leading to the launch of the Vikings Blade. So this is the Emperor. This is the Chieftain 5 BC. Let's see if I can get it out of the glare there. There it is. And then this one is the Chieftain, the Odin model. So after holding the #1 best-selling badge on Amazon for many years, the family business was fully acquired by the Vulcan Group. So this guy here, this is medium aggression, and it's made out of solid premium metals. This is a rose gold edition, and this is the Odin model. The length is 95 millimeters, and the weight is 5.93 ounces. And this rose gold coating, it's designed to age and fade, so it's not always going to look this pretty. It's going to get some patina on it. It's going to look like an old vintage razor. It is a closed comb, and these are TTO razors, which is twist to open. You twist open, you drop your blade in there, you close it up. I always back it off a little bit and then tighten it down again. And then what I do is I look right here and make sure the blade reveal is even on both sides. This is the 5 BC here. Same thing, twist to open. You drop your blade in, close it up, look at your blade reveal. Also, closed comb design. It's got some good little channels here. Makes it easy to rinse the soap out. So the Chieftain 5 BC here, this is made out of brass, and it's finished in a vintage bronze. It's a zinc base plate, and this guy weighs in at 101 grams, and the handle is 9.5 centimeters. And this guy here, the Emperor, I believe this is probably one of the heaviest safety razors you can get on the market today. This guy's gorgeous. Yeah, it's an adjustable razor with a dial head. With a dual head. And what that means is you can see the knurling on this head here, which gives you a little bit more aggression. And then it's smooth on this head here, hence the dual head. And so not only does it give you your adjustments, but you can actually micro adjust just by switching which direction you're shaving with, or with what edge here. This guy weighs in, let's see, the Emperor weighs in at 134 grams. Yeah, this guy's super heavy. It's super, super hefty. And it measures in at 110 millimeters. So, and guys, the way I found out how to best load this is, so right here, you can see right there, the mark is at max. And if you open it up here, it'll open up all the way. Gives you enough room to drop the blade in, close it up. Like I always do, back it off a little bit, close it up again. So if you have this guy and you put the dial all the way down to the most mild setting and you open it up, it will not open up all the way to give you enough room to install a blade. So you have to have it at the max setting. So there it is at the max setting, and you open it up and it opens up all the way. So these are the Vikings Blade 3 models that I have: the Emperor, the Chieftain 5 BC, and the Odin model 5 BC. But they have other models too. They have models that cater to women, such as the Hera, the Aurora, the Eva, the Psyche, and the Athena. And the other chieftains that I don't have here are the Godfather, the Vulcan. So yeah, this is actually the Emperor Meiji is what this one is. And it's inspired by the Emperor from Japan. That's why it has the red, that red strip right there. But yeah, guys, that's them. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. You guys take care of yourselves. God bless.